Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will create another 3D model using Fusion 360. So let's get started. Click on sketch and choose top plane. Now create rectangle and give dimensions to it. Use tab key to switch between values. Now choose extrude and click on profile and extrude it according to dimension. Now click on this face and create a sketch. Use offset command and create lines as per dimension. Now extrude the profile as shown and click OK. Now again choose this face and create sketch. Offset line and connect it with this point. Then choose extrude and select the profile, then extrude it. So we have successfully completed our 3D model as per the drawing. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Also check out our website for doing engineering calculations with our integrated calculator. Also read our blog for staying updated with latest industry trends. Link is given in the description, so do check it out.